can tell you this, that we never spent government funds for our personal purposes. If we did, we replaced them immediately. I may have committed many sins in my life, but stealing money from the people and from the government is not one.
What is your dream for the Philippines?
Equality. Daming mayaman dito, daming mahirap. Mas marami ang mahirap.
That you visited your father.
Yes,
What did you tell him?
you should be here.
When I was a child,
You make me cry.
She told him, you should be here.
You should be here.
Why?
Since he's yours. This is not all mine.